Our cars keep life moving, take us on adventures, and keep us on schedule. But knowing what keeps them moving and how to keep them going can often be a challenge, an expensive one. But what if your car's health and safety were within your control? We've bridged the gap between you and your car with a leading technology that fits easily into your vehicle and seamlessly into your life, giving you a straightforward snapshot of your car's status in a whole new way. Vehicle Mind analyzes and interprets your car's issues so you can understand the severity level and make informed decisions to avoid paying more than you should for simple repairs. Be on top of your car's location and status, from towing notifications to real-time GPS tracking. And extend your car's lifespan with personalized insights into how your driving affects maintenance and fuel consumption. Save time with automatic and accurate trip logging to keep track of mileage and business expenses. Export reports and get reimbursed faster. Vehicle Mind puts you in the driver's seat of your car's health and safety. Because knowledge is confidence. And with confidence comes peace of mind. Vehicle Mind has your back at every turn in